Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, green color, orange color. Capital letters. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for big. B for big. C for cow. C for cow. D for duck. D for duck. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. Z for grass. Z for grass. H for hen. H for hen. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J for joker. J for joker. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Colors. Pink color, square, green color, circle, yellow color, triangle, orange color, heart, sky blue color, star. A for aeroplane. B for big. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grass. H for hen. I for ink pot. J for joker. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.